Suwannee River State Park walking tour. We're on site 4. You want something to carry? There you go. There's site 5. What's across the street? 7.
That was 6. 7.
Okay. I might take some pictures later.
Scamp.
Yep, nice little scamp. Them are cool campers. Lightweight for sure. Yeah, every site here is taken.
Nobody's on this one yet. Nobody's on 12.
Yeah, but they're reserved.
Yep. That one there.
Yeah, there's a nice Winnebago.
See?
Yep, has a reserve sign. The sign says campground full when you pull in.
I know, I saw it.
There's 13. He's got a nice... A lot of people camp in vans these days, don't they?
Hi.
Hello. There's our camp host. Look, they got a ponytail palm and a conch shell.
Forest River Salem.
Yeah.
There's another Forest River. Rockland.
Wow. Forest River everywhere.
Mm-hmm.
Look at this site. 14's a big one.
Yep, that's a nice one, isn't it?
Oh man. Oh look, they got a nice canoe and a leprechaun.
That's a coachman.
Yep.
That's Forest River. There's another one.
Oh
Forest
yeah.
River. Catalina.
All these sites are pretty big, ain't they?
There's in the Leadville.
Yep.
Oh, look at this one here.
Yeah, it's reserved also.
Yeah, probably for the weekend. See, they got a red too, just like ours.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's just like ours. Open road red.
By golly, it is. Okay, there's your trash drop, which is what? You just throw your trash, I guess.
Throw your garbage out.
One thing I can tell you at this campground, it's got good TV signal, but you definitely are not getting a satellite signal any place I could figure out, which is good. Hey, look, there's a camper just like ours. Wait, that is ours. If you bring your doggy camping, they even got you one of these things.
They tried to give us a dog when we came.
Yeah, that wasn't happening.
No, somebody left their puppy.
There is a free dog here. Look, there's another one like ours.
Yeah.
25.
That one's got, that's not like ours though. That one doesn't have a big slide here, and it's got
Oh yeah, it's got the door back.
the doors back.
Oh, you know what?
Look at the puppy in the front.
It's kind of cool.
Hi, puppy dog.
Yep, laying on the dash.
Hi, baby. He's a nice little dog.
Okay. So what's there, 2 more sites up there?
Couple.
2, 3, 4. Here's a Montana. 28 we're up to. I don't know what size number them are, but they look pretty good too.
Oh, look at here.
Yep.
That's kind of cool.
Kind of a, that might be the hiking trail.
I don't know, it's nice and mowed in the open spot.
Okay, we're up to 30.
off.
Okay.
Hmm?
Then we have a host. They got a cool camper too. A runaway.
Yep.
By what? Range Runner. Okay.
This is a nice one. This must be handicapped. Huh?
Oh yeah, there's a nice handicap spot. It don't say reserved either, does it? Probably is though.
I don't know. Don't say.
But that's a beauty.
That is nice.
Wow, they outdid themselves on that site.
This one.
I wonder if the restroom's open. Yeah, why don't you see if it's open? Otherwise, we'll just shower in our camper. What's this little house?
These are handbrushes.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna bet you they're not open. You can try them, but gonna say they're probably not open. Well, what's the verdict? Open or not open?
No, we're not.
Okay. Yes, toilet facilities closed. That's okay.
We got our own.
That's right. Pretty nice. Wonder what the Suwannee River State Park. Look, they got books. Defibrillator. Okay.
Well, let's hope we don't need it.
Yeah, let's hope.